these are mainly like labor market in the US, inflation that's coming from tariffs, where the Fed could be going, how other central banks would behave. First, they have to increase the knowledge as much as they can.
Well, hello and welcome everyone to the Forex Expo podcast, live from the Forex Expo Dubai. And it's been amazing sessions since the day one. It's day two here, and I have a most requested guest over here from the Exness. He's a strategist. He's someone who keeps the eye on the market very deeply. And let's welcome him over here. Wael, how are you?
Thank you, Lakshay. I'm good. Thank you.
So how was
It's a
your
great
overall
event so far.
great event?
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, actually, I've been participating for a while with the Forex Expo, and every year we see like a good progress, and we see like this is the biggest event, and then the year after it's bigger and bigger. So it's nice, it's good, but also this exposure brings a lot of responsibilities to every one of us. So whether you are a trader, whether you are an analyst, whether a strategist, whether a salesperson, business development, everyone has more responsibilities towards the crowd that are here.
And you have like low tons of work on your shoulder as being a financial strategist,
Of
right?
course. My team and I are always focusing up much on the markets to try to bring our clients the best out there. And also, like a lot of volatility has happened this year. Crazy times in the markets. A lot of things are happening quickly. A lot of uncertainty. So you have to stay up to date.
Definitely, and being at this big stage of Forex Expo Dubai, it's been an amazing playground for everybody over here, right? So, how's your feel like making Exness to the Forex Expo Dubai?
Actually, Exness has been a main sponsor for that event for a long time. And we are key supporters of such events, especially in Dubai, because it's taking it's been building up very fast. But also, as I mentioned, the more people attend such events, the more responsibility on brokers and on employees. Because this industry, it's not easy. A lot of risk out there. You're trading leveraged products, so everyone has to be aware of the risks. So you have to be transparent with everyone that's here. Highlight the risks that are there, highlight the opportunities, but also be transparent and honest.
And being a strategist, you've been analyzing the market pretty deep, right? So, what are the keys, the macroeconomics that you see, or like this is the main point that you analyze while creating strategies?
This year, it has been a lot of things. Starting with Trump administration, going into tariffs was a big topic since the beginning of the year, and it continues evolving. Like we go a little bit off for a while, and then it goes on, and then also definitely inflation figures and the narrative of having a stagflation, maybe, which receded a little bit recently. So these are mainly like labor market in the US, inflation that's coming from tariffs, where the Fed could be going, how other central banks would behave, especially ECB, Bank of England, Bank of Japan, and what's happening with the bond markets in Japan. So a lot of key macro trends has been evolving this year that we have to continue following pretty much going to the end of the year.
I mean, yes, the global trends for the politics has been rapidly shifting, as well as we have newer tech emergence, like the AI tools that we are having right now to analyze different stuff, and pretty quick. So it's been easy for someone to get in, making it more accessible, right? And it's a really good market right now. What's your overall exposure to this?
Actually, definitely, when it comes to AI tools, I've been discussing that yesterday in the panel. It's bringing a lot of efficiency to traders. Like,
Yes.
you're getting access to a lot of things now. It's you can process data way easier and faster and more efficient than previous times. But also, you have to be real at a certain time that the markets are markets. So whether you are using AI or any advanced tools now, in the end, anything could happen at any time. So yes, AI is helping traders being more efficient, but also traders have to be real about how things are. Like, stay away from all this wrong marketing about AI that you can just get a bot based
Absolutely,
on AI. It
absolutely.
can make you a lot of money without you doing anything. In the end, AI can help you so much in assessing data and processing data and making sure like it's giving you some sort of precision. But in the end, whenever you execute a trade, anything can happen.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, AI is not gonna understand everything and gonna give you the right answer if you don't know what to ask for,
Yeah.
right? You have to be very much educated in the sector, and then you can ask the right question to AI, because AI can answer your questions, but you have to be on that level to ask it.
Yeah, and people are misunderstanding AI with that language models, that the ones that from ChatGPT, Claude, whatever. But when you dig deeper into real machine learning, when it comes to trading, it's completely different.
Yes.
And now when it comes to, like, if you go to retail traders and mostly ask them about AI, they'll tell you, I will give ChatGPT a try and then I will get a signal. But they don't know, like 10 seconds after, if they just counter argue with ChatGPT, they would completely change the narrative that they're looking for at the chart. So here's what about what I mentioned now, like traders have to be real, they have to be smart, they have to really know what they're doing with AI. It's helping them to be way more efficient and maybe creating algorithms or expert advisors, maybe some sort of indicators, some data collectors. Yes, it can help a lot, but also they have to act smart.
And what's your go-to strategies for while creating the analysis of any asset?
Well, I rely much on getting stats, a lot of statistics based on the price action. So I have my own way of looking at markets, and even indicators. Sometimes it helps a lot to look at the probabilities of these indicators and try to really filter out these signals. So this is definitely works, but again, you need to be smart on what to combine and when to take the decision because of a lot of uncertainty in the markets.
Because the tools and indicators want to give just info, you gotta make a decision out of it, right?
Yeah.
So one piece of advice that you want to give to anyone who is just getting started, or maybe a beginner or someone who can evolve themselves into
plenty of advice. Plenty.
What the first thing that comes
first,
to
they
mind?
have to increase their knowledge as much as they can.
Yes.
Second, they have to they shouldn't risk money they can't afford to lose. 3, they shouldn't be thinking that whenever they fell for the first time and then they learn from it that they mastered everything. The market keeps on teaching you.
Yes.
Every time you feel like you're climbing the ladder and then you find yourself, there's still more way to go up. So this is the markets. It's an evolving journey. So you have to be humble always and try to really seek good sources of knowledge. Stay away from wrong marketing and wrong advertising that crypto is a get rich quick scheme and all that.
Not those Telegram groups,
and all that.
Put this prompt and you'll have the trade.
Exactly. So plenty of things, a lot of responsibility again on brokers, on employees to really showcase the reality of markets and how things happen in this industry.
Definitely, and don't just fall for fake platforms or places where you can get free signals or something. Just put this prompt in the chat and you'll earn a lot of money. But rely on someone who has an expertise on this. Do follow institutions and strategists like Wael over here, right? And stay tuned for more informations like this, and do follow Forex Expo Dubai. Thank you so much, Wael, for giving us the time, and this was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, pleasure.